What are integers? So integers are numbers that are not fractions or decimals when you get them simplified. They can be negative or they can be positive. So let's look at some examples. If I have negative 12 over 3, I can do 12 divided by 3 and simplify that to be 4, or negative 4. So that's a whole number, right? A positive or a negative whole number. So we're going to say yes, that would be an integer. But look at negative 89.45. 0.45 is what it is. It's a decimal, so that is not an integer. 5/19, negative and positive don't matter here, guys. 5/19 is a fraction. We can't simplify that to a whole number, so no, that is not an integer. 423.33, that's just a decimal. It's not an integer, so say no. And then negative 21, that's a whole number, right? It's a negative whole number, and so we're going to say yes. So an integer is one of the following numbers. It could be negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, ... is before, and ... is after. Notice that none of those numbers have decimals or fractions. Negative 12/3 equals negative 4, so that's an integer. Negative 89.45 is not an integer. It has a decimal number. Negative 5/19 is not an integer. It's a fraction, and you can't simplify it. 423.33 is not an integer because it has decimal numbers. Negative 21 is an integer because it's just a whole number, right? Whole numbers are typically positive. That's why I keep saying a whole number or a negative whole number. So here you can see the answers to those, and you try it.